Alright, welcome back to Terrible at Fishing. Well, I've got this box to open. So, we're going to run with two cameras. We're going to give this a shot. So, let's start the show. Alright, well, let me get up. You get a wide view, and you get a really close-up view right here. So this right here is an airbrush kit. It's going to start us on a whole new adventure. And we got a DVD for Airbrush Essentials right there. Yes, we should do it that way, huh? There you go. So that'll make me mastering the basics. You got the hose. Pull out the airbrushes first. So you got one gravity feed airbrush. One gravity feed airbrush right here. Whatever. Pull it out. So, here's one. There's three of them, you know. There's an ebook that I can go to, learn more. Although I have airbrushed before. So, it's just been 35 years. 35 years. Can you believe that? 35 years. This is the siphon feed one. That's the siphon feed one. Probably won't use that one much. Although, I have used siphon feeds before. My Kayak VL is a siphon feed. And here's the other gravity feed one. This is going to work out pretty good, don't you think, over here? Two cameras going. People walking on my head. And there is a smaller cup. There you go. So, what's next, you say? Well, what's an airbrush kit without air? This is the compressor. Oh, goodness. More here. Ebook stuff. Air compressor. Should be. Oh, there it is. Maybe there was a stand for the airbrushes in here. Okay. That's an airbrush stand. So. This thing out. Alright. Alright, let's unplug you. Plug you in. Nice and quiet too. I like that. So, pull my stool over. Connect this. Now, let's take a look at these airbrushes. Got the tools to clean it with. That one and that one. Alright. Interesting. Alright, so we got little droppers that come with it, which is really neat. Alright, so this little lid just keeps the paint in there if you put too much in there. Okay, we are back. We're back. So, alright, so let's take a look at this thing. So we've got our airbrush holders, which this actually just goes right here on my compressor. Unless I want to mount it someplace else. But yeah, it's pretty handy here. That takes care of, that is where airbrushes go. There you go. Pretty cool, huh? So, get that. See. Alright, so in this, I was just showing my boy that the screw in the back makes a sort of a stopgap for the second action. So if I want so much paint and very little or more, I could just pull it back and then just have it at that stopgap all the time. You can pull it back, the needle, and you can see it move even more. So that is how you adjust your air pressure. And right now we're at a steady 40, which is good. 40 or 45. So that's that. Alright, let's turn that off. Let's try the other airbrush. I'll just stick that in the holder right there. This is the it's a smaller cup for the side for the gravity. Let's give this one a shot. I'm not leaking, which is always a good sign. Awesome. Anyway, these are 0.0s. I got this on eBay. Comes with three, obviously, these three airbrushes and the compressor with the airbrush holder. And this all costs $85 on eBay. Or not at eBay, but on Amazon. They give you a little eyedropper, which is really nice because I can take water out, put it in here, mix it up, thin it out, the paint, which is really nice. I won't be using this one much unless I do in large areas. I just don't see me using the siphon feed that much, but it's a single action airbrush, the siphon feed, and you adjust your paint flow through this nozzle here. So instead of a dual action button, you have a single action button, and your paint feed is controlled at this end right here at the tip. So with that, that's that. What do you guys think? It's pretty cool, huh? Now, all I need is bait, supplies, and paint. Paint, supplies, and blanks. So I'm very happy with this purchase. I've seen some good reviews on it. And for just starting out, I think I'll put this on the smaller cup. I'm going to be using about 3 or 4 drops of paint per lure, especially since I'm going to focus on ultralight lures. They're really tiny. So this is actually pretty cool, huh? Bam! It's my workstation. All right, let me get over here. Desk and painting station. Bam. All right. So that is that. So I'm going to. We got bonus guides here. Bam. Bonus guides. And things like developing basic artistic skills, 10 essential airbrushing tips, airbrushing strokes and techniques, lettering guide, guide to airbrush cake decorating, cake, and how to clean it, which is really important. And pretty much safety and ventilation here, airbrush types and features, compressors and other air sources, fittings and hoses, setting up your airbrush, which we already did, strokes and techniques, stencil types and uses. So there's a few things in this one that I could use. So anyway, that's very cool. I hope you guys are excited as me, because in this area right here, we are going to start having custom bait painting. So I'm very excited about that, guys. So I am, well, the water's freezing. So you'll see me, where? Soon, out on the water. And over there, showing you how I paint terribly. Take care, everybody.